Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. If you're looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency with perks and advantages, you're in the right place. Today, we're decoding the power of using a Binance Referral ID during sign-up, and we have an exclusive code just for you. 291935167. Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offers a lucrative affiliate program known as the Referral ID. By using this code, you not only gain access to a world of trading and investment, but also unlock a suite of benefits. Sign up. Bonus. When you use the code 291935167, you receive a significant boost to your trading journey with a welcome bonus, helping you get started on the right foot. Trading fee discounts. Enjoy up to a 20% discount on trading fees, which means more returns on your investments due to lower costs. Referral rewards. Share the love and the code 291935167, and you'll earn a percentage of the trading fees from those who join and trade on Binance using your referral link. Now, let's register with Binance using our special Binance Referral ID. 1. Visit Binance. Head to the official Binance website. 2nd, register. Click on the Register Now button to start your account setup. 3. Use the referral code. When prompted, enter the code 291935167 in the Referral ID field. 4. Complete verification. Follow the steps to verify your account for added security. 5. Make your first deposit. With your perks activated, make your first deposit and start trading. By using the Binance Referral ID code 291935167, you're not just joining a platform, you're becoming part of a community of traders focused on innovation and growth in the crypto space. Remember, utilizing this code gives you exclusive discounts, bonuses, and opens the door to potentially lucrative trading opportunities. Don't forget to share the code 291935167 with friends or family interested in cryptocurrency. With each person you refer, you'll earn rewards together. Sign up today with Binance using our referral code 291935167 and start your journey towards becoming a savvy crypto trader. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading with Binance.